So today I'm going to show you guys how to wear elf ears for cosplay or everyday life if you're so inclined. So quick glance of what you'll be needing: elf ears obviously, and then of course your glues. So this one, the yellow one, is called spirit gum, and this is a glue that you'll actually be using to affix your elf ears to your real ears. And then you also want to get the spirit gum remover. These usually come in a pack together, and the spirit gum remover is what you use to remove the glue from your skin. Again, if you get them both at the same time, then you'll never be without the remover. So on the short elf ears, you can just put glue along the front flap of the ears. You can see the yellow line here from many years of doing it. On longer ears, you can put it along that flap. You can also put it along the back flap so it's sticking to both sides of your ears, so you don't have to worry about it getting knocked off as easily then. So to actually apply them, take a little bit of the spirit gum and brush it on to the flaps of the ears, and then let it dry for a few minutes until it's very tacky and sticky. And that's a good time to put it on your actual ear. So just open it up a little bit, and then you'll just slide it, move your hair out of the way first as much as possible, and then just slide it over your ear and apply pressure to as many points as possible of the ear so that it sticks right to your skin. You have to hold it on there for a few minutes, and so then it will eventually dry. You can let go. And so then, of course, you'll want to hide the flaps to make them look like real ears. So you can either loosen your hair if you don't have long hair, but if you have long hair, it makes it much easier. You can just pull it over the front of the ear and drape it down in front to hide the seam. And you just want to keep playing with it until the ear shows. And so for the bottom seam, you just want to take some ear cuffs. This was actually a silver ring, like fake metal silver ring that I just chopped in half, and I used that for the ear cuff. You want to put that right over the bottom seam of the ear so that it looks like it's all one ear. This is really good if you're doing female elves, but it will work for male elves as well. So to remove your ears, you just kind of bend them forward, and they basically just peel right off your ears, usually taking a little bit of your hair with it. You got to kind of pull your hair off of them. And then move your hair out of the way, try to get out of the spirit gum because your ears will still be sticky. So take your spirit gum remover, get a little bit of that on one of your fingers, and then you just want to rub that around your ear at all the places where the glue was, and that will remove all the stickiness and stop your hair from sticking to your ears, which is always nice. So you can see on the newer ear you don't see much glue buildup, but on my older ear you can see quite a bit of glue buildup for many years of using it. So to remove that, you just fold the ears backward until the glue cracks, and then just kind of peels off in sheets. You don't want to use the spirit gum remover on these because it will ruin the ears. That's only for your actual skin. So just fold and peel. But you know, it is so hard to get a date when you have one ear bigger than the other. I mean, the other looks like you're a total freak.